Welcome to our AI cross-lister ResellIQ. Now this is built out so you can make one listing and it will efficiently list it across multiple marketplaces like eBay and Vinted. Now what we're going to do is going to give you a little breakdown on exactly how this application works. So you can see here on our dashboard, we are in my stock area, ResellIQ. We're going to scan item using AI. This is our first step. So here we can upload photos we've taken on our phone. And these 5 photos this Converse trainer is going to go in. So what you do is you upload that into the gallery and it's going to make a listing for you as efficiently as possible. So it's going to put in the categories, estimate your resale value and way more. So you can see here it's even made the image quality better compared to what I put in. We scanned it and we put it in. So here this is where AI starts to get to work. It reads the labels, it even checks for authenticity on the product and is going to find out as much information using the general market data that we have to be able to make that listing. So about 20 to 30 seconds maximum is what it takes before you've got your efficient listing right there for you. So there we go. Okay, now you see here it's giving an estimated resale value of £48. It's putting all the notes and conditions on more original retail with tags, and it's even made the listing for you. So what we can do is we can quickly review that and add to our stock. We're then going to say, what did we pay? Now we paid £15 on that item. It's put in all the categories, and you can upload images for your individual listing too. So there's some additional ones using AI. So all of this has been done. It's even got an AI listing generator if you want to make any changes to your listing. It's made a listing description and it's give you a price. So what we're going to do is going to save this to stock. Boom. Now you can see here our listing has been made. It's ready to go as easy as that. So that was as quick as what it is to make a listing. Now what you can actually do is you can bulk import as well. So what I just did there, you could actually take images of, let's say, 100 photos, put it in there and leave the AI to make as many of them listings for you as possible. So it's not just one. This AI works for multiple things. You can also do what you have here is our Vinted import feature. So what you can do is you can link your Vinted in, it then pull out all of the stock images, so you can then click a button which says eBay, and you can then go and list all the products from Vinted onto eBay, which is really easy. So you can basically backtrack and backlog all your work. We've also got label converter here, so sometimes Vinted will give you a label which doesn't quite fit. So what you can do is you can put it in there and it's going to make it the correct size for your label printer. Guys, so that is such a useful tool. Now back here, if we go to home, it's actually going to give you a dashboard which estimates profit. So money spent is how much you bought in stock, your estimated sale value, and then it calculates a profit here. So you're able to do all your management in this one dashboard of our application. What we also have is we can look on our stock and see how products are doing, right? So let's have a look at our Adidas Juventus. Now our potential profit is £20, and we can even mark that as sold as soon as it's done. We sold for 20, mark as sold, and that's gone into our dashboard. So again, a great feature. So what we're now going to do is cross-list that item. So from that one listing you made on the application, we can list that across multiple platforms. So here you can see in that dashboard again with the stock, there's a little button here. Now guys, you need to remember you have to do this on Google Chrome and add an extension for this to work. Now cross-list this item, you can see in the corner, and you can then select the marketplaces that you want before you cross-list. Now you literally, as simple as that, you select them, all fields are complete, and then you can open listing drafts. Boom, click. And that lists all the stock across all of these different platforms for you to start using. As easy as that. Guys, you can do that you can select multiple items as you do that. So you can select a block of 10 and do it at one time. And that is as easy as our cross-listing that works. There's also additional AI features you can go in there and use. Now, for members, this is as cheap as £19.99 a month. For non-members, £29.99. Guys, imagine how much time you're going to save using this. This is a no-brainer if you are a reseller. Thanks.